Is it the right time to buy or sell Arista Networks stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Arista Networks. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 31, 2023, our system has ranked Arista Networks as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.05. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Arista Networks has exceeded our expectations with an impressive gain of 32.51% since we first recommended buying it 72 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.45% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 31.6% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 28.90% to 41.11%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 70.95% over the next year, with a projected return between 31.75% and 82.46%. This would mean a price range of $349.81 to $484.44 after 12 months. Our latest update for Arista Networks brings some important news. The stock price of Arista Networks Inc. fell by more than 5.47% on Tuesday, closing at $265.51. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. On Tuesday, the 13th of February 2024, the stock price of Arista Networks Inc. dropped from $280.88 to $265.51, representing a decrease of 5.47%. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $255.97 and a high of $270.74, showing a 5.77% range. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 2.37%. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume along with the stock price is actually a positive sign. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, while a total of 7 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.77 billion. Now, let's look at the stock's performance over the past year. The highest price reached in the last 52 weeks was $292.66, while the lowest price was $130.08. Currently, the stock is trading 9.28% below its 52-week high, which is a difference of $27.15. Furthermore, it is trading 50.51% below its all-time high of $536.54, which was recorded on November 9, 2021. Analyst ratings. Morgan Stanley gave ANET a overweight grade with a hold action on Monday, February 12, 2024. Wells Fargo also rated ANET as overweight with a hold action on the same day. JMP Securities gave ANET a market outperform grade with a hold action on Monday, February 12, 2024. Piper Sandler rated ANET as neutral with a hold action on Monday, February 12, 2024. Needham gave ANET a overweight grade with a hold action on Tuesday, October 31, 2023. According to analysts, Arista Networks stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price to book of the stock are both rated as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Today we will be discussing the signals for Arista Networks. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Arista Networks Inc. stock. However, the long-term average suggests a buy signal. With the short-term average above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, providing a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance at around $272.81 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $255.48 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the stock's near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 9, 2024, resulting in a 6% decrease so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. The volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. In this video, we'll explore some interesting signals you should know about. The first signal is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a sell signal. Another signal to watch for is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average also provided a sell signal 2 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for a broader perspective. On the short moving average, we have a sell signal 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gives a buy signal 73 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 179 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Arista Networks. Arista Networks Inc. has found support from accumulated volume at $264.89. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock has moved $14.77 between its high and low, which accounts for a 5.77% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 3.62%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Arista Networks, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One of the key metrics to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio can indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 29, 2024. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for Arista Networks. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $273.10. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Arista Networks encounters its first support level at $264.89. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially leading to a rebound in the stock price. Arista Networks has received a strong buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On February 7, 2024, McCool John F. sold 420 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 7, 2024, McCool John F. bought 420 shares of common stock. On February 7, 2024, McCool John F. sold 420 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Taxi Mark sold 420 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2024, Taxi Mark sold 208 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -69.688. Overall, insiders have purchased 44,092 shares and sold 251,413 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $249.69, which represents a decrease of 5.96%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which implies a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is Arista Networks stock a good buy? While Arista Networks Inc. has some positive signals, we don't believe they are strong enough to consider it a buy candidate. Currently, it would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the last trading day and have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, February 14th, we anticipate that Arista Networks will open with a decrease of -$1.44 and begin trading at $264.07. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'd like to share our current view on this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and have a great day.